everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm sharing with you guys my CVS. Last week I was so excited because I started getting CRTs that I've never gotten before. I was so excited, and then this week I'm like, okay, let's hope we're gonna get more CRTs. I actually got less this week than I did last week, and I pretty much got the same exact ones as I received last week. There was some ones that I was super excited for, like I got, the shampoo, the vitamins and stuff. This week I got nothing. I keep getting the same complete home or total home or whatever, the CVS stuff. I keep getting nonstop that, or their all abound food, and then I keep getting Hallmark CRTs, but I have to spend like so much to get that. So I'm just like, seriously, is it ever gonna like be better? And like a part of me is like, should I start a new card? And then a part of me is like, no, because then when I say no, then I finally get CRTs. So I don't know, it's messed up. It really is. A lot of you guys are saying you're having better luck sometimes, or some people are not, but I'm just gonna keep waiting it out and trying it, but we will see what happens. But anyways, I am here to share with you guys, we get tons of there's toilet paper up the wazoo. I've never been this much excited about toilet paper. Now, a couple weeks ago, there was this girl who like filled up her cart with toilet paper, and I'm like, oh, what's the price? And the cashier's like, oh, 50 cents. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm like, okay, I'll just get like 2 of them. I'm like, I don't need that much. So then I ended up printing some CRTs with my second card. I'm like, I'm just gonna see if my second card would have anything. Now that card does get a lot of good CRTs, but I don't want to use it very often. But I'm debating on maybe trying to get rid of my first card and just keeping the second card. I don't know. I don't know how, if I can transfer my extra care box to my other card. I don't know, but I'm like, I'm just gonna print it off and just see if there's anything there. And I actually had the CRTs for the toilet paper. So I had one where you could buy one, you get 2 free of the Oh So Soft, the 12 pack. So these were $12.99. My store had them like in a weird spot. Like the shelf was pretty much empty, but then they had a couple left, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna price check these, and these were buy one get one free. So these are $12.99 and buy one get one free. So right there you get 3 of them for free, and 3 of them you gotta pay for. But there is a deal where if you buy one, you get 2 free. So basically it kind of just evens out itself, and you get all of them for free. So I got 4 of these. 4 of these. I was trying to think. I ended up getting 4 of these absolutely free. It's because it's buy one get one free, so you get 2 free. I was mistaken, and it was buy one you get 2 free. So basically you get all 4 of them for free. So I got all 4 of these absolutely free. It's a 12 pack. Let me know what you guys think of the Oh So Soft. Is it a good soft, toilet paper or not? I left the other ones upstairs because I didn't want to bring them all downstairs. So then I just did that with one transaction because I wanted to see how well it was going to do. Well, then my store had these, true green ones, or tree green ones, tree free. Now these were also buy one get one free, but my store only had 5 of them on the shelf, and I says, you don't perhaps have any more? He's like, well, let me go check the back. So he comes out with these, and he comes out with these. And these were those ones that were 50 cents a couple weeks ago, and like they're pretty much gone. He says there's a ton of these back there, so I'm like, you better start bringing them out, because that's like clearance you guys could totally get rid of. So these were, again, $3.49, and they were buy one get one free. Well, then I had the buy 2 you get 3 free. So I got 6 of these absolutely free, did not have to pay anything, and I did that in a separate transaction because I wanted to make sure everything turned out. And he's just like, oh, really? And I said, yeah, because all I did was give him the 1 CRT, and then it automatically printed off the receipt. I didn't have to pay any tax or anything, so he was like pretty excited. But when I did print off, or when I did do the 12 pack, I had a $1 extra care buck because I haven't used that card. I don't even know the last time I used that card, and every once in a while they'll give you like $1 to use. So I'm like, you know what, since I have that extra care buck and I'm not rolling it, I ended up buying 2 of these at 50 cents, and again, didn't have to pay tax, didn't pay zero. It was just $0 for all 3 transactions. So I don't know, I'm hoping maybe my CRTs get better. Otherwise, I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? I got a lot of hate last time I was using 2 of them because I wanted to show more deals. And then I, probably for like maybe the last year and a half, I've been just using that one CRT, or the one card. But I'm not going to keep juggling back and forth. I'm not doing that. I'm either going to use one or the other, but I just don't know what I should do. But I don't know. I'm really confused, but like I said, I'm not going to keep continuing using 2 of them because that's abusing the system. But I did want to do the toilet paper deal. But yeah, so kind of a little sad, but I want to share with you guys as many deals as I can. So I did deodorant, okay? So the Sure or the Brute is on sale this week for $2. You would pay $2 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making this absolutely free. But I had a 2 off of 8 deodorant CRT that was expiring today, and I wanted to use it because, like I said, I'm trying to get different items to maybe spark more CRTs to print off. So I ended up doing the Lady Speed Stick and the Speed Stick. Now, I had a CRT where I had 2 off of 8, so I needed to spend $8 worth of CRTs. These are actually 2 for $6 at my store, so I got those and I got these. So this is $8 right here. You get, and then I used that 2 off of 8 CRT, so that's $6 that I had to pay. But then you get $2 back with the Sure, and you get $2 back with the Lady Speed Stick. So my total just came to be just $2 or 66 cents a piece, which is still a pretty decent deal. Like I said, I just wanted to do this deal. I didn't have any other CRTs or anything, but I'm just trying to buy random stuff to maybe trigger it. I don't know, but 66 cents for deodorant I think is a pretty good deal. Now I ended up getting the eyebrow pencils. I haven't bought these in a while. And my store, I was going to get mascara, but my store was completely sold out of the $6.99 mascara because that was the deal that I was going to do. So I ended up getting these. These were $6.49. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in our inserts today. Otherwise, there is a digital. And then I used the $3 off instant coupon that printed today. So these would be $3.98 for both of these. But then you get a $6 extra care buck when you buy 2. So these came out to be just a $2.02 moneymaker. So I made a profit off of the 2 eyebrow pencils. Then I ended up doing the Nexus deal. I remember last time people were like, do the mask, do the mask, do the mask. So I'm like, well, I'm going to see if the website shows that the masks are on sale than just the thing. So these at my store are $5.19 for these 3. $5.19, like for a sample. Literally a sample of Nexus. But anyways, you want to buy 3 of them. I had a 3 off of 15 shampoo and conditioner. I was like, oh yeah, I can use it for this stuff. You know, I was thinking I had to buy other shampoo and conditioner. I'm like, wait, I'm going to use it for that. So I used the 3 off of 15 CRT that I received from last week. You would pay $12.57 if yours is the price that I had. And then you get a $10 extra care buck, making these $2.57 or just 85 cents a piece. So I actually like the Nexus, and I actually like the clear, like the white clear bottle. So I think this is kind of goes with it, but this is just basic green caviar. Yeah, I've always wanted to put caviar in my hair. Yeah. Okay, I was like thinking what I did. And like I said, I kept constantly getting Hallmark CRTs, like just non-stop Hallmark CRTs. So I'm like, okay, so my CRTs, I used to get all those bags all the time. Like, you guys have no idea how many bags I have of these Hallmark bags, because those were always working like crazy. That reminds me, I gotta use those for Charlotte's birthday party. So basically, I kept using those. Well, now it says that you have to get cards for $2.99 and above. Well, I like to go as minimum as possible because I'm cheap when it comes to cards. I have so many cards, it's ridiculous. But I wanted to do this deal because I keep getting these CRTs. So the deal is spend $15, you get a $5 extra care buck. I had a spend 20, get $4 off, which I was not thinking straight. I was going to do that deal, and I'm like, wait, I don't need to do that deal. But I've been getting $4 off 5 CRTs. And I got one last week, and I got one this week, so I'm like, I'm going to use that. So I ended up getting 5 cards that were $2.99 a piece. Now you make sure you scan them, because some of them I was scanning nothing popped up on the app saying that, you know, this one worked. So I got the 3 of these ones that just say happy birthday. I thought we're gonna get those. Those are plain, simple, easy ones. And then I got one that says it's your birthday, hope it's fantastic. And then I just got like a blank one. So these were all $2.99. I scanned them. They're all ringing up. So basically, that was like $14.95. Totally forgot that I needed to spend 5 more cents to reach the 15 thing. So I had a bag, didn't even think about it, and then put it back. And I'm like, okay. Well, then when the receipt printed out, it said I needed 5 cents more to get the extra care buck. And then I looked at my receipt, and I did get the extra care buck. So if your store does, what, the 2% rule, it did work for $14.95. So I bought 5 of them for $2.99. I used $4 off of 5 CRTs, paid $6.95, but then I got a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.95 or just 39 cents a piece. Like I said, I like to go as cheap as possible, but I think 39 cents a piece is still a pretty decent deal. I just kind of wanted to mix it up. But yeah, that's how bad, you know, my CRTs have been. My other card, there was tons of them. There was like just little things here, little things there, and I'm like, oh, I don't know what I want to do. I don't want to ruin the system. I don't want to, you know, take advantage of things. I just want to be honest and, you know, good, but I still want to share with you guys more deals. I still want to do it. I mean, CVS right now, I love shopping at CVS, but it's not worth my time going there to get like 2 items and that's it. But anyways, my total for all those items came to be 50 cents. 50 cents. I know, it's crazy. I ended up using $29 worth of extra care bucks. One of the $10 of that was included was my Care Pass thing, so technically that's like free money. But anyways, I used $29 worth, but I did receive $25 back. So my grand total came to $4.50. I got 25 items at just 18 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. $4.50 for all that toilet paper, I think is a pretty good deal. So I was excited that the toilet paper made my day. It totally made my day. My whole store is like sold out of all this. I think what they're doing is trying to get rid of all this off-brand and stuff. And then my store has that Regio or Regeo or whatever. I scanned it last week or the week before because there was a tag on it that said 70% off. So I scanned it at the red machine and it says it's not on file, or the UPC doesn't exist. And then I'm just like, okay, whatever. So then I had him, I had the cashier scan it, and he's like, oh yeah, these are like $7.99. And I'm like, yeah, you guys might want to clearance that out or something, because I'm like, they had tons of it. And nobody's gonna buy it. Nobody's gonna pay, what, $7.99 or $4.99 for it? Nobody's gonna pay that price. Well, an average person might, but not us. So, anyways, I'm excited. So we'll probably see more deals next week to get rid of their toilet paper, but we will see. But I'm pretty excited with what I got. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys. Oh, and I did want to do the Centrum vitamin deal. I forgot to mention, I did want to do the Centrum vitamin deal, but my store was completely sold out of all the $8.99 vitamins. I was going to do that deal, but since they didn't have it in stock, I was kind of disappointed because those have been a pretty great deal. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.